Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're exploring Teelaunch.com, a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell custom merchandise without holding any inventory. Teelaunch integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, making it easy to connect your existing store or launch a brand new one. The platform handles everything from printing and production to shipping and customer service, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your business. Teelaunch boasts a wide range of products you can customize, from apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, and leggings, to home goods such as mugs, wall art, and phone cases. They even offer more unique items like Bluetooth speakers, dog bowls, and jewelry. This diverse product catalog offers plenty of opportunities to experiment and find what resonates with your target audience. You can upload your own designs or utilize their design tools to create unique pieces. One of the major benefits of using a print-on-demand service like Teelaunch is the elimination of upfront inventory costs. You don't have to purchase bulk stock, which significantly reduces the financial risk. This also allows for greater flexibility in testing new product ideas and designs without the fear of being left with unsold merchandise. Simply create your design, upload it to the platform, and Teelaunch handles the rest. While Teelaunch offers a convenient and streamlined process, it's crucial to research and understand their pricing structure and profit margins to ensure it aligns with your business goals. Each product has its own base cost, and your profit is determined by the selling price you set minus that base cost. It's important to calculate your potential earnings and factor in any platform fees from your e-commerce provider. Overall, Teelaunch presents a compelling option for entrepreneurs and creators looking to enter the world of print-on-demand. Its wide product selection, seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms, and hands-off approach to fulfillment make it a worthwhile platform to explore. However, be sure to conduct thorough research and compare it with other similar services to determine if it's the right fit for your specific business needs. Remember to check the links in the description and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about my experience with Teelaunch.